Hello everyone, here we have the Krebs cycle made easy. In the beginning of the Krebs cycle, we have acetyl-CoA joining with a 4-carbon molecule called oxaloacetate to form a 6-carbon molecule called citrate. Citrate is then converted into its isomer called isocitrate. Isocitrate is then oxidized to a compound called alpha-ketoglutarate, which is a 5-carbon molecule. In the process, a molecule of carbon dioxide is released. This is done with the help of an enzyme called isocitrate dehydrogenase. Next, the alpha-ketoglutarate is oxidized to form succinyl-CoA. In the process, NAD is converted to NADH, and again another molecule of carbon dioxide is released. The CoA group of succinyl is replaced by a phosphate group, which is then transferred to ADP to make ATP. ATP is an energy storing molecule. This process results in another molecule called succinate. Succinate then donates electrons to a molecule of FAD, thereby reducing FAD, forming FADH2, resulting in fumarate. Fumarate is then given a molecule of water with the help of an enzyme called fumarate hydratase to produce malate. Malate then reduces NAD, producing another molecule of NADH, converting malate into oxaloacetate. By the end of the cycle, this 4-carbon compound oxaloacetate remains and is ready to react with another acetyl-CoA and begin the Krebs cycle all over again. Thank you for listening.